Hello friends, let's try to solve this problem. Here 2 power of x equal to 16 power of 2 power of 3x. So 2 power of x equal to, how can we write 16? 16 we can write as 2 power of 4 whole power of 2 power of 3x. Here 2 power of x equal to 2 power of 4 into 2 power of 3x. Since a power of m whole power of n equal to a power of mn. See, here bases are equal, so exponents must be equal. Therefore 2 power of x equal to 4 into 2 power of 3x. It is equal to, here 4 is multiplying. If you are moving to this side, it will become as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 2 power of x equal to 2 power of 3x. Let's exchange these places. 2 power of 3x equal to 1 by 4 into 2 power of x. Here 2 power of x is multiplying, so we will move to left side. 2 power of 3x by 2 power of x equal to 1 by 4. 2 power of 3x minus x equal to 1 by 4. A power of m by a power of n equal to a power of m minus n equal to 2 power of 2x equal to 1 by 4. 2x equal to log 1 by 4 base 2. How can we write 1 by 4? Log 2 power of minus 2. Can we write like this? Since see 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2 square. It is equal to 2 power of minus 2. 2x equal to minus 2 into log 2 base 2. Log m power of n base b equal to n log m base b. 2x equal to minus 2. Therefore x equal to minus 2 by 2. It is equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to minus 1. Thank you.